Hey guys, we're continuing to talk about characters today. So we're going to go ahead and read the story David Goes to School. So if you've read any of the David books, you know that David is a really cool character. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start reading this book, and then we're going to talk a little bit about David's character. David Goes to School. David's teacher always said, "No, David, no yelling, no pushing, no running in the halls." "David, you're tardy." "Sit down, David." "Don't chew gum in class." "David, raise your hand." "Keep your hands to yourself." "Pay attention." "Wait your turn, David." "I don't care who started it." "David, recess is over." "Shh." "Again?" "That's it, mister. You're staying after school." "David, have you finished?" "Good job, David." What's he getting? A gold star. "Yes, David, you can go home now." So how do you think David felt about school? He was always kind of getting in trouble, wasn't he? But what happened whenever David got that star? That gold star. What do you think that gold star meant? Do you think that meant that David got in trouble? No, it doesn't mean David got in trouble. It meant, it's kind of like our dojo point. So if you get a dojo point, that's a good thing, right? So David, I think his idea of school kind of changed. Let me know your thoughts about David. I hope you guys have a great day.